Are you ready to uncover the secrets to finding those hidden rent-to-rent gems? Well, you're in for a treat, because in just a few minutes, we're about to unveil the ultimate guide to locating your next lucrative deal. So step one is online portals. Let's start with the online world. OpenRent and Rightmove. These platforms are gold mines for property listings. Set up alerts for specific property types and locations to receive instant updates. Another great source is social media groups. Join property-related Facebook groups. Many landlords and investors post opportunities in there. Step two is offline marketing. Don't underestimate the power of old school methods like direct mail. Craft personalized letters to landlords. Mention your interest in their property and your value as a rent-to-rent partner. Leaflets also work, so distribute well-designed leaflets in target neighborhoods. Highlight the benefits of renting their property to you. Step three is networking. You may have heard this phrase, your network is your net worth. So building relationships with estate agents is crucial. Develop relationships with local estate agents. They often have inside knowledge on potential rent-to-rent opportunities. Word of mouth is also very powerful. Tell friends, family, and acquaintances about your search. You never know who might know someone with a property to rent. Step four is email campaigns. Create a database of landlords' email addresses. You can find some publicly available or use services like Land Registry. Craft persuasive emails introducing yourself and your rent-to-rent proposal. Highlight benefits for the landlord. Step five is attending property events. It's time to get social in person. Attend local property networking events and meet landlords face to face. Property auctions can also be a great place for finding distressed properties or motivated sellers. Sometimes these motivated sellers would also be open to a long-term fixed guaranteed rent. Step six is you could partner with estate agents. Collaboration is key. Establish strong relationships with estate agents who can alert you to potential rent-to-rent properties. Convince agents of the benefits of working with you, such as guaranteed income and hassle-free management. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding rent-to-rent deals. Remember, persistence is key. The more you utilize these strategies, the greater your chances of landing that perfect deal. If you're eager to take your property education to the next level, then check out the link in the description. We're offering a free rent-to-rent course that will dive even deeper into these strategies and equip you with the tools to become a master at finding rent-to-rent opportunities. So click the link and let's embark on this exciting property journey together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy hunting, and I'll see you on the next one.